In this video, we're going to look at some energy conversions within the photosynthesis reaction. So just as a refresher, in photosynthesis, we have 6 carbon dioxide molecules combining with 6 water molecules to form glucose and oxygen. This reaction is endothermic, meaning it takes in energy from the surroundings, in this case the sun. And so when we typically include energy, it's going to be included as a term on the reactant side of our reaction. So this is a schematic of the photosynthesis reaction drawn out. So we have carbon dioxide and we have water. So these are combining to form oxygen and glucose. Now in a chemical reaction or in a chemical system, the chemical bonds store energy. So we have some amount of stored potential energy in our reactants and some amount of stored potential energy in our products. Because this is an endothermic reaction, and we're going to be adding energy to our reactant side of the equation, that means that there is less stored energy on the reactant side than on the product side. So the bonds within our products store more energy than the bonds within our reactants. We can draw out the total energy of our system. So energy can't be created or destroyed. So the total amount of energy within our system is actually going to remain constant. So total energy does not change. However, we can look at the changes in potential and kinetic energy. So our reactants, so reaction coordinate is just the progress of the reaction. Our reactants have some amount of potential energy. So they have 6 carbon dioxides plus 6 water. And our reactants are going to gain potential energy to form our products. And our products in this case are glucose and oxygen. At the same time, our system had some amount of kinetic energy that, when the reaction took place, was converted into potential. So the kinetic energy of our surroundings decreased. And that kinetic energy of the surroundings was converted into potential energy within our system. So the system gains energy in the form of potential energy, and the surroundings lose energy in the form of kinetic energy.